Hey guys, this screencast is just going to be about how to drag a preloaded template onto your spread, and that way the layout is done for you. And I love to be creative and create things from scratch. You can do that. But if you feel like, I feel rushed, or I'm not really that creative, or it's the beginning of the year and I'm not quite there yet, this is how you would pull something that is already done for you, and you can still tweak it and kind of make it your own. So once you get to walsworthyearbooks.com, if you forgot that, it's walsworthyearbooks.com. You log in with your username and password. Again, if you have forgotten that, let me know because I can easily reset that or just tell you what it is. And once you get here, you click on Online Design. And the ladder pops up. Obviously, I can see everybody's. You guys will just be seeing 3 spreads at the moment. So once we start to talk a little bit more and you are like, hey, I can really help you with this one, we can work together, and I'm going to really encourage that. But for right now, you're all assigned 3 spreads. So I am going to pick kind of a traditional, we'll say this first softball spread here. I am going to click on this spread. This one's Abby's. And, you click into it. Very user-friendly design program, but I know, like Virgil and Abby, I know you've kind of been gone a year and you're back, so this may be kind of new looking to you, but it's very simple. I always like to go to View, Show the Grid, Full Picas, just so you have some boxes there so you can really line things up. But this screencast is really just going to be about templates. So over here on the right, you have templates. Click on it. We can create our own. These would be under the Custom Templates tab, and we actually have those from last year in here still, I believe, which is pretty cool. But those are not the ones that I want to show you. Eventually, throughout the school year, we may get there. But click on this little down arrow, and all of these different phrases, I guess you could say, are different yearbooks that have been created, and Walsworth has chosen to kind of save their spread layouts for us to use. So just like we'll pick this To the Core and To the Core Express. You're going to see that a lot. There's more to it. There's more to it Express. The Express would be like their little graphics or content modules, which are really great to use if you want a little like sidebar type of content module thing. So you would look under the Express templates, okay? But I want a full spread, so let's go back to, there's more to it. This would give me whole spread layouts, okay? Here we are. This one's pretty colorful. I haven't even looked at it until just now. But I do think, like, for just the sake of this screencast, I'm going to pull one on over so we can just see what that looks like and see what you can do with that. I'm going to go with this one. This one's a little bit crazy for me, but... Okay, so it pulls it on here, exactly where everything, was, and it's got the dummy text for you. It's got photo boxes for you. It has, these colored boxes and things like that, which we haven't decided on a theme, so who knows? But the beauty of this is that you can pull this on here and then tailor it to what you want. So this might be your story here that goes along with your dominant photo, and then this says Chatting with the Champ, so that's kind of like, looks like a student little Q&A there. And then we have a little sidebar over here that says Future Ballers. So maybe those are people who plan on playing this sport in college. And then you even have the places for your captions. So that is like a super great place to start, I think, at least for deadline 1, because, now you would just be dragging photos in. Photo tray, not a lot of photos in here just yet, but let's see. I'll drag them on my yearbook. Here we go. And that's a cell phone photo, guys. So that is a really good quality still. And then you'd be able to double click on it, do whatever you need to do. But that would be a template that is at least done for you. I'm going to undo that, and I'll leave this template on here because I don't know, Abby, maybe you want to use it. But you really have some creative freedom within the templates as well. But I really want you guys to just kind of browse. Here's one called Move. I actually like this one a little bit better. It seems a little less crazy, but look through. Colors, we will need to be consistent with that, but these can all be changed eventually. If I click on this box, I can change this anytime I want. So don't get so caught up in the colors just yet. And then if you just hate it, you're like, you can just draw a box with your arrow around everything, delete, and try a new one, okay? When we meet on Thursday, I will give you a date in which I want to see everybody's spread laid out, whether that is from scratch or with a template. So I actually don't like that one as much. I'm just going to leave it blank for you, Abby. But that's how you do it. Big thing here. And then I'm going to end this video. Always go to File, Save and Close, or you will be locked out of your spread, okay? Which means you can't access it. You'd have to contact me, which just sometimes, takes some time. Maybe you're ready to work on it right then. So File, Save and Close, but that is how you load a template onto your spread.